as creatives, there are some little things we can be doing to make our design process faster, and one of those things is using keyboard shortcuts. So in today's video, I'll be showing you few shortcuts to use while using Adobe Photoshop. So the first one we are going to be using is duplicate, Ctrl J, which is Ctrl J. So while you are, for example, this layer I'm on now, this good decisions, for example, I want to duplicate this layer. I don't have to right click and go to duplicate layer before I duplicate my layer like this. No, I don't have to do that. All I have to do is press Ctrl J on my keyboard, and you see it has duplicated. It has made another duplicate. So let's place this one at the back and enlarge it like this. Reduce the opacity a little. So yes, something like this. So another thing we'll be jumping on really quick is the group shortcuts. For example, I want to group all these layers on top of my model. This is my model. I want to duplicate example, I want to group all these layers. So I'll just click this layer, hold my control and click other layers like this, or click this layer and hold on shift, then click to the last layer you want to highlight. Let me do that again. For example, like this, then you hold shift and hold till you click the last layer you want to group, then you click on Ctrl G. So it has grouped our layer. See, it has grouped all those layers into one. That's another one. Then another shortcut we'll be jumping on is the Ctrl E, which means to merge. Ctrl E means merge. So let's hit Ctrl Z again. Now this is usually related to also grouping, but it is different. When you group, you still have your layers in the group, but when you duplicate, when you merge like this, pressing Ctrl E to merge, all your layers are now into one layer. They are no more grouped, they are into one. So to do this, all you need to do is press Ctrl E, then you can then convert to smart object. So now this layer now is no more a text, it is no more an editable text, it is now a merged layer. So another shortcut is turning anything to black and white on Photoshop. When you want to turn something to black and white, all you have to do is just press Ctrl, Alt and Shift at the same time, then B. It will bring out the black and white like this. To bring out the black and white feature like this. So you can now then tweak your whatever you want to do it. So yes, like this. Then the last thing we'll be doing is the undo and redo. Now I've done this black and white. Let's say I've converted to smart object. I can no longer remove my black and white. What I will do is press Ctrl Z to undo like this. You can press Ctrl Z again to bring you back your raw image. So after that, the next thing we'll be doing is redo. After undo, redo means to bring back what you just took away. So let's say we did something like this, something like this. So let's say we did something like this and we don't actually like how it's turning out. We can do something like pressing Ctrl Z and Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z like this. And when you've already pressed Ctrl Z and you want to redo what you just deleted, all you need to do is Ctrl Shift Z to bring it back. Ctrl Shift Z to bring it back. So that will be all. If you need the part 1, check my YouTube playlist for the part 1 of this tutorial, and make sure you subscribe for more. Thank you.